If you're a history buff, get ready to have your mind blown. We're diving into the weirdest facts about some seriously powerful people. First up, Niels Bohr, the genius behind quantum mechanics. This guy had a bar in his home that never ran dry. Why? He was given a free beer pipeline directly from the Carlsberg brewery. Next, Ronald Reagan, the 40th US president. Did you know he had a secret obsession? Jelly beans. He even kept a jar on his desk in the Oval Office. Sweet, right? And finally, Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. She was a math whiz who invented the polar area diagram. But get this, she was also a hardcore cat lady with over 60 cats. History is full of surprises. Which quirky fact blew your mind? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more historical oddities.